Good morning, my name is Jorlani. Step 3, identify technology value. Brainstorming. Difficulties in valuing technologies for transfer. Little knowledge of values and methods by technology managers in charge of the process. Lack of market information. Determining inappropriate valuation methods. Difficulty in understanding the technologies to be evaluated. Personnel with little expertise in technology watch. Oh my God. Excuse me. Technology assessment no focus enough on the target market. Recommendation. The following measures are recommended to the company. To have easy collaborators and project manager who specializes in technology assessment to guide the assessment. Invest in training of the operational team to obtain technology and tools necessary to develop an efficient technology assessment. Orient the information and research of the technological assessment to the needs of the company. And thanks. Goodbye.